Hello, salam, my friends. Today I'm gonna be making another video. It's kind of thing, I forgot few things to mention before in my introduction video. So I just thought to record. Let's talk. Let's talk about trading and things. This is it's like complicated technology. I've mirrored my phone with this and using the other phone over there, and I'm looking myself over here because previous video I was like recording blindly. So yeah, I'm getting used to it nowadays. So yeah, the thingy I want to discuss today. One second, let me just get it here. Yeah, it's here. First and foremost, I forgot to tell you guys about the market for cryptocurrency. The market is open 24/7, 24/7. It means like you can literally take trade anytime of the day or night. This is open 24/7, and people they are like they're trading, they're taking trades uh, from around the globe within seconds. There are like millions, billions of transactions happening within the seconds. So this market is super busy, and I would say like full of traffic and complicated. And if you're not sensible and careful enough, this market will eat you up alive. Secondly, there are videos and things about so many of the this is moving again. So about the courses of people, like they offer you a course and like you have to pay some sort of subscription fee for monthly or like for yearly. I wouldn't say that's a bad idea because as I said, like you never stop learning, but be mindful and careful of of which person from where you're buying the course and what's their repute in the market and how they had been doing the work. And yeah, I mean, don't fall into a trap. Like somebody offer you a course and you just went for it, and you know and the other thing I wanted to discuss today, why this is moving on its own, come on. So yeah, I was having a discussion with one of my friend, and he was like, I'm going to follow the setup of this person, of that person, or like this or the other one. Come on, man, stop moving. Sorry, distraction. So I told him, you can learn from anyone, but do whatever you feel is right and whatever you feel is according to your research. Do not fall into a trap, do not follow this, do not follow that. Learn from everyone, but do whatever you feel like and according to your research, according to your mind and everything, what you have learned and achieved. So take decisions accordingly. Other thing, yeah, and global economies, they are taking interest in cryptocurrency. This, what is it, like there's gotta be something interesting or like I would say, sorry, I mean, obviously there's something in crypto. That's why Donald Trump, the president of US, he's interested in cryptocurrency. Elon Musk, uh, super famous entrepreneur, you all of you guys must have you guys know about him, right? And so many other celebrities and famous people, they're getting into crypto now. And if you ask me about Pakistan, we recently appointed a chief advisor for cryptocurrency. So there's gonna be like there's a market. There was a market gap. Now it's like it's starting now. You can still get into it. Like you can jump onto it and make your space in this specific trading journey of everyone. Different countries, different people. And yes, once again, do not treat it like a gamble. Do not treat it like a gamble. Treat it like business. You guys meant something, and you did your own research, you learned something, and now you are into trading. So that's how you're gonna make profit and money. But if you treat it like a gamble, if you saw one video here, the other video there, and you just you just copy someone, and if you ask for the signal groups, like there are like loads of them on this Telegram, Discord. So these societies, and fine with me. I'm not saying don't follow it or don't take it. Fine, but do your own research, study, then do something. Do it on your own. Do not follow anyone. Learn from everyone. This is what I would say. If you want to achieve something and be a big G, all right, my G's, and yeah, universe is a giving place, and God is watching you above all. If you are gambling, obviously you're gonna lose all your money one day or another. You'll, like, it's gonna happen. Like, you're gonna have like a jackpot once or twice, but eventually you lose all your money. So I wouldn't suggest to gamble it. Learn it, embrace it, and then get into the business. And yeah, I think this is gonna be the last thing I'll be discussing. Why invest in stocks, crypto? So there's a reason, let me ask Chat GPT as well. I just wanted to confirm once live. So companies like BlackRock, you guys, some of you guys would have heard about it, but not most of you. So these companies, not so many people know about them. JP Morgan, one of them. So what they do, they buy shares, stocks of different companies. So the difference between in an investing company and corporation is, corporation, they are like producing a product, manufacturing something, and maybe giving a service. And these holding companies, the companies which invest in stocks and buy shares, they are the real ones, running the world. Companies. Yeah, BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager with approximately $11.5 trillion in assets under management, holds significant stakes in a diverse array of companies across the various sectors. Its investment strategy is heavily weighted towards technology, reflecting the sector's prominence in its portfolio. Top equity holdings. See, BlackRock company holds Microsoft Corp approximately $248 billion, Nvidia Corp, which is making chips for the smartphone and laptops and all the technology related gadgets. Apple as well, Apple. BlackRock holds Apple around $221 billion. Amazon, Meta platforms, including other ones, the sister projects of that company, WhatsApp, and which they recently bought, around 81.2 billion. So you see what I'm talking about. I'm gonna search for the different more companies like BlackRock. If you're looking for companies similar to BlackRock, massive Vanguard Group, assets under management over $8 trillion. Vanguard is one of the largest asset managers globally, known for its low-cost index funds, ETFs. Like BlackRock, Vanguard manages a diverse range of assets, including equities, bonds, and alternative investments. It's a key player in passive investing. Notable holdings. So it holds State Street Global Advisors (SSGA) around $4.5 trillion. Fidelity Investments over $4 trillion. JP Morgan Asset Management. Oh yeah, these are the different companies I'm telling you. JP Morgan Asset Management, approximately $2.5 trillion. Goldman Sachs Asset Management Company, around 2 trillion. Invesco, around 1.5 trillion. T Rowe Price 1.3 trillion, Blackstone Group 1 trillion. So you got my point, right? The point I'm making here is, like, when I graduated myself, I wanted to do a business, like product, produce something. I wanted to start a clothing brand, then a restaurant or something. I still want to do it, but later on in future maybe, But real money is in holding and investing companies. Other companies, they are doing business, they're providing services, and you guys just gotta buy the shares. You'll become a stakeholder in that company. Literally, if you have, like, if you hold a stock, you're the stakeholder, and you own a chunk of that company. You're doing nothing, using your brain, and that's how it works. And it's similar with the product reviews as well. So if you ask me, like, someone else is making a product, and you are just reviewing it, and you're making money out of it. You can make money from YouTube AdSense account, and, like, those personal PRs which companies, they send you, and sponsorships from the other local brands or international brands. It depends, like, how good you are at it. So that was my point, today, to clarify a few more things. And let's see what else. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And another last thing I'll conclude with, the motivation, the real motivation comes when you're heartbroken, not like normal broken, but super heartbroken. Like, you are into it, you want to do something, you want to achieve something, and, you're not looking here and there for the distractions. You are just focusing straight ahead, and you see your destination and your goal, and you just want to make it. So there's a example of a Bollywood movie I would give you. What was the name? Yeah, Rockstar, Ranbir Kapoor. So he wanted to be a musician, but that was his passion, that was his energy, his thing. But he wasn't into it. He couldn't make it until and unless somebody told him, you need to be heartbroken. Then the thing will come out of you automatically. So that's the thing. I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for listening. Take care. Bye. I'll see you soon.